treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.